Managing multiple locations gets messy when your stock, orders, and revenue are spread across different places. With the centralized admin dashboard and stock overview, you can see everything in one place and understand how each location is performing. In this video, I will show you the centralized admin dashboard and stock overview feature. This dashboard gives you a complete view of your products, locations, stock, orders, and revenue from one place. First, you need to go to WordPress dashboard, then hover over location manage, then open the dashboard. Here you will get a full overview of your multi-location store. This dashboard helps you track your store data in a simple and organized way. At the top, you will find filter section. From here, you can filter your dashboard data by date range, location, and order status. You can also use quick options like last 7 days, last 30 days, last 19 days, this month, or last month. After choosing, you need to apply filter, or if you want to reset, you need to click the reset button. Right before that, you can see the main performance numbers. For example, this dashboard shows total products, locations, orders, total investment, and revenue. This gives you a quick summary of your business performance. If you scroll down, you'll see different visual reports that make the data easier to understand. You can check products by locations, stock levels by location, orders by location, and revenue by location. This helps you understand store growth and stock value. Here you can see the section for new products, which has been added in last 30 days, and the investment graph. There is also a stock alerts by location section. This helps you quickly identify low stock products for any location. If there are no low stock products, the dashboard will show that clearly as well. Another useful part is profitability and aging by location. Here you can see the details like inventory value, margin percentage, dead stock value, dead stock units, average age in days, and shrinkage percentage for each location. So in short, this dashboard gives you a central place to monitor store performance across all locations. You can track product, stock, orders, revenue, low stock alerts, and profit related data without moving between different pages. You can also export the dashboard report from here, which makes it easier to save or share your store data. So this is how the centralized admin dashboard and stock overview helps you manage your multi-location store from one place with clear data and visual reports. See your full store performance across all locations in one dashboard.